We've had our share of strong to severe storms again this evening, and those storms should diminish once we lose our lifting mechanism. That's the daytime heating. So after sunset, we should start to see things start to kind of even out a bit and weaken. We'll see patchy dense fog forming overnight, though, particularly in those areas that saw the heavy rain. We get the calm winds overnight, high humidity. We'll see clouds on the ground. That is what fog is, of course. So patchy dense fog overnight, and then tropical storm Fred on approach. So we'll be watching for the impacts of Fred as early as the latter part of the weekend or into the beginning of next week. I'm meteorologist Samantha Moore, by the way, one of your 11 Alive storm trackers. We're watching those storms bubbling up over Atlanta and across North Georgia tonight. Still have the potential for some strong storms with heavy downpours. We've had winds with around 60 miles per hour with some of these severe storms this afternoon, some large hail, and it's been the lightning that has just been incredible. We should see that start to weaken by around sunset, after sunset by around 9:30, 10 o'clock, and then overnight with the moisture left over, we'll see some of that dense fog forming. And then our attention will be turning towards the progress of Tropical Storm Fred moving across the Dominican Republic tonight. They have tropical storm watches and warnings in place there. As it moves across Cuba, likely to weaken a little bit as well from the friction caused by the Dominican Republic and eastern Cuba, and then strengthening again as it approaches the Florida Straits into a tropical storm, heading in much the same track as Elsa, Tropical Storm Elsa, that became a hurricane for a brief time before landfall, and that was our last named storm. This one taking a very similar path, so we will keep our eyes peeled as it could bring in some strong storms here as we head into the beginning of next week. In fact, this is the Euro model, but the GFS American model also looking much the same, showing that storm working its way into South Georgia, Middle Georgia, sometime on Monday. This is Monday morning around 9:30, bringing in some more unstable air, tropical air, as well as some strong storms possible during the afternoon, keeping that center of circulation a little off to our south and east. We hope it stays there. That will be the most advantageous place for us. We want to be on the western side of the system, which will be the weaker side of the storm. So a 50% chance the next few days, going up to 60% chance on Sunday. Low 90s should be expected each and every day. And then down a bit next week in terms of the temperatures, and we'll have those rain chances going up to a 70% chance on Monday as Tropical Storm Fred comes close.